I see the complaining witness is present. He's showing up on mine, but not that one.
Notice how the judge takes extra care to make sure the victim and defendant have a chance to speak. This is actually a right under the Crime Victims' Rights Act. Victims get to address the court before sentencing. But look how quickly both decline. That's silence. It's louder than words. What would you have said if you were in their shoes?
All right, so this is the time and date set for sentencing on this matter. Mr. Fanto, have you had an opportunity to review the report with your client?
We have, Judge. No corrections, additions, or deletions need to be made. And I would ask the court to amend the recommendation as discussed.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Smith, as a victim under the Crime Victims' Rights Act, you have a right to make a statement. Is there anything you'd like to say to the court prior to sentencing?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, and ma'am, you also, Ms. Henry, if there's anything you'd like to say to the court, you have a right to make a statement. Is there anything you want to tell me? No? Okay, but just so you know, Ms. Henry, I can tell you're incredibly soft-spoken. She has to make a record, so make sure you speak up a little so we can hear you, okay? All right, I reviewed the pre-sentence investigative report, and I'll be honest, I'm surprised that the prosecutor charged this case. The allegation is minor at best. There's no indication there was physical contact. You threw a rock and it hit someone's boot. You didn't aim at someone's body, head, chest. You threw a rock on the ground and it hit someone's boot, and now you have a criminal conviction.
Okay, pause right there. The judge just hinted that this charge might have been overblown. Throwing a rock that hits a boot, that's technically assault, but it's about as low stakes as it gets. Still, a conviction is a conviction. This shows how even minor altercations can spiral into criminal records, especially when relationships get messy. What do you think? Fair or overreach?
And, you know, you have the benefit of a diversionary status, so it's not going to be a public record. But I think it's unfortunate, to say the least. There was a sentencing agreement on this case that it'd be under that diversionary status, so it will be. Where's Mr. Zick? Is Mr. Zick on?
This is a state case.
Oh, it's a state case, okay. There's non-reporting probation. I'm not making you report. You're not doing any of that. For 6 months, so you have 6 months in non-reporting probation. You can't pick up any new convictions, okay? You can't use drugs or alcohol while you're on probation. You understand that? And they could ask you to test. I'm not giving you a color. I'm not making you test, but I need to let you know there's always a possibility you could be tested. Okay? You have any assaultive contact with Tyler Smith ever, but while you're on probation here. But I want to make it clear, Mr. Smith, this is not, listen, you two have a child in common, and I'm just going to be real honest and frank with both of you. You're going to screw a kid up if the two of you can't find a way to function as adult parents. You are, right? Because when you two interact like this in front of this kid or try and weaponize the judicial system or the criminal justice system against each other, it's a real problem. And I want to be clear that you don't have to get along. You don't have to like each other at all. You can hate each other. But when you're around a kid or you're dealing with a kid, they can feel it, they can sense it, they know it. And when a kid feels torn between two people who love that child, I mean, the child's lucky, it has two loving parents, but when you are torn, when this baby or young kid is torn between the two of you, you're gonna screw this kid up. You hear me, Mr. Smith? You hear me,
Yes,
Ms.
Your Honor.
Henry? And listen, you two need to learn to get along, but my probation officer is not a babysitter. Okay, I mean, she's not. And you two need to learn to get along. Keep your hands to yourself, Miss Henry. Keep your rocks to yourself. Do what you need to do. But if you two need to go to front of the court and get something worked out, then go do it. But we're not using this court. I'm not your babysitter, either of you. So if the two of you want what's best for your kid, I suggest you both look at him sometime, or her, the boy.
Yes,
A boy, look, how old?
2, about
Okay.
2 and 4 days.
I want you to go home and look at him. And Mr. Smith, next time you see him, I want you to go home and look at him. And I want you guys to figure out if your distaste for each other is worth screwing him up for the rest of his life. And if the answer is it's not worth it, which should be the answer, then you two play nice and get along, because I'm telling you, he is going to suffer, not either one of you. That's my lecture. I think it's terrible.
This is the kind of moment that makes courtroom footage go viral, the judge turning therapist and parenting coach in one breath. But beneath the lecture is real truth. Judges see the collateral damage of broken relationships every day. That kid the judge mentions, he's the real person the system is trying to protect you.
You can't have any assaultive contact. You're sentenced under 7694A, and you're to obtain an order for fingerprints if applicable.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. We're all set. Have a good.
Morning, Your Honor. James Kazicki on behalf of Mr. Reyes.
Judge, okay, before you start talking, man, what's the evidence? I'm representing myself. My name is David. Wait a minute, my name is David Boy, Mark Reyes, right? You have the evidence
Okay,
against me? Yes or
Mr.
no?
Reyes.
Yes, I'm
Mr.
listening.
Reyes.
Yes,
Mr. Reyes.
yes.
Okay, I hear you, sir, and I see you. Can you just take a seat? You're so close, I can hardly see you. I can see you much better when you sit back. Thank you. Okay, so Mr. Reyes, we're here today for a pre-trial on this case. And we're going to go, and we're going to set it for a settlement conference. Okay, Mr. Reyes? One more time, sir, what did you say?
Shit, man.
Okay,
I'm not playing now. I'm not playing today. Second time I've been here now. What's the fuck the problem? Show me them.
Oh, all right, Mr.
Yeah. Yes or no?
Okay, Mr. Reyes.
Right.
Mr. Reyes.
I'm not playing today. I don't give a fuck. You're married or not. Okay, just release it. 40-year minimum.
All right, we're going to set,
40 fucking year minimum, man.
all right, I'm muting you, Mr. Reyes. We're going to set this for a settlement conference with the complaining witness to appear. And we're going to make a referral for competency, so that Mr. Reyes, so that you can be evaluated by the forensic center to ensure that you understand what is happening in these proceedings today. So, for now, I'm going to do a competency referral based on Mr. Reyes's appearance in court today, even without a motion by defense counsel or the prosecutor, which defense counsel has just made the motion, but even without that, it certainly seems appropriate. So I will sign an order for competency, and we will see Mr. Reyes in a few weeks, hopefully with that report. Okay? All right, Mr. Reyes, you're all set for the day. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to fix her. I don't know to anyone today.
Unmute. And there you are. All right, we've got someone here. I'm asking you to unmute. Can you please unmute?
Judge Jeffrey Pan, oh, that's, Mr. DeRoche's, mother.
Okay, where's Mr. DeRoche?
He was there earlier. He's, again, Judge, for reasons at the bench, we're, just asking for an adjournment so I can finish the discovery and meet with him at my office.
Okay, he's got one I need to arraign him on though. I mean, we're gonna adjourn the arraignment too.
That's fine, Judge, if he's not. but-
He's not willing to come on camera.
He's having a medical issue and he left the room.
Okay. I've signed the request for discovery on the new file, Mr. Fanto.
And I'll coordinate with Officer Zick.
We're going to adjourn all of these for a short time period. Mr. Fanto, I know you're a patient attorney and I appreciate that, but Mr. DeRoche has cases pending, 3 misdemeanors. And if next time he comes to court, he refuses to come on to screen and refuses to participate in proceedings, I'm going to hold him in contempt.
Understood.
And I'm going to require that this hearing be held in person. So we're going to have, next time, Mr. DeRoche is going to come in person to the 23rd District Court, and we will hold it in the courtroom.
Thank you.
But we're going to adjourn all 3 files at this time.
Thank you.
All right, we're all set.